G'day, it's Robert here from Integration Kings. Just wanted to cover off on managing supplier information within Dia. So to do this, go to the supplier module, and if you go to supplier, you can add a new supplier, or if you go to all suppliers, you'll be able to search your suppliers. So I'll cover off this area. Basically in here, you can delete and merge suppliers in bulk. And you can also import and export suppliers. But let's drill down on a particular supplier and cover the information you can put into the system. So obviously you can put the name. Dia runs full multi-currency. Just like Xero, it has a live currency feed. So you can choose the currency and operate the currency of the supplier you're working with. Payment terms, and you can build your own payment terms. The account payables list that it's going to in Xero and the GST treatment. If you fill out this comment field, this will pop up every time you do a purchase order. So what we recommend doing in here is putting any primary stuff that you want it to be always in the face of the purchasing officer, and it'll pop up every time a purchase order is raised. Whether the status of the supplier is active or deprecated, if you want to delete the supplier, you need to mark it as deprecated, then action a delete within the all supplier screen. However, bear in mind, if you've got it integrated with Xero and you delete it for good from the system, not just deprecate it, that upon a resync, if the supplier is present in Xero, it'll repopulate Dia. You'll think you're going nuts because it keeps reappearing. We recommend just to deprecate it and not hard delete it. Default supplier, so you can set up and nominate, we always use toll. Tax number is for any tax identification number that you might be using in any country. So if operating in Australia, that'll be ABN. If operating in, say, the UK, that will be the VAT number. Depending on each jurisdiction of trade, depends on what that number is used for. Discount method, and then you've got additional attributes which you can deploy, and these are custom fields in which you can fill them out. You can also list in as many addresses as you want and specify, the type of address. You can put in as many contacts, and you can specify you can put a comment, and the job title goes here. You can also say whether they're always included on emails. You've obviously, as we said, got additional attributes. You can see purchases by product, purchases by document, and you can see the activity log of what staff have been doing on it, and this can never be tampered with. That covers everything in the supplier area. Let us know if you have any other questions, but hopefully that covers everything. Thanks for that.